I'm trying to introduce this new app and tool. It's free to use compared to the many softwares on the market which go for $200+. This is a solar PV designer. It's a systems designer. What you do, head to this website, say solar PV designer dot online and go. This is the website. This is the welcome page. You can read through. That is it. So this is the software. On your first open, just follow instructions. Click here, click on this, once click, come and choose your data provider. NASA, Solcast, PVGs, these are all good. Let me use Open Method. Say test. But it's working. Yeah, so just close and say save. You can see the data provided. And it's going to use your location. What you do, it's optional to create an account, or you can just start your design. But let's start a design. Say create project, add your new project. Let's just see, we'll case this project. Client name, let's give it that. Select any logo you want. Installation, let me say Banda Kampala. We are already chosen, so hybrid irrigation system. Say create project. So what you do, come and look for what you want. You can get off grid solar, on grid solar, hybrid solar, residential solar, surface irrigation, bowl irrigation, drip irrigation, center pivot. Let's go for surface irrigation. And if you choose surface irrigation, it will give you water pump and control system, two appliances, but we can add a light bulb. Let's give it 25 watts. Hours to run every night for 10 hours. Oh no, let's just give it 3 hours and say it's also critical. Add appliance. Now we have 3 appliances: control system, light bulb, water pump. Depends on the pump you have. 750 watts for 4 hours, but we can get something smaller if you want something smaller. This is just the pre-configured version. After that, just say irrigation system settings, water source. We are going to use a pond or borehole. If you have a borehole in the they put your meters, let me say 40 meter, 10 meters. It will be a sprinkler, not a drip or flood, but drip would be, no, let's say a sprinkler. It's easier. And say continue sizing. You can see up here system type selected, irrigation surface, appliances added, 3 appliances. Now for the rest you can just say auto design. It gives you 2 panels at 400 watts, 48 volts. Just say save and continue to battery sizing, solar sizing, PV sizing. It's done. Battery sizing, just say auto design, gives you 10.7 kilowatt hour, 48 volt battery. Lithium, lead acid, yeah, let's go with the lead acid, it's easier, but sometimes we don't even need a battery. If you don't need a battery, you can skip it, but this is just for the light and everything. Say save, go to inverter. Inverter, you may not even need an inverter since it's an hybrid system. It will be in a home, you will need it for your other, say auto design gives you that. Save, go to system tuner. This is the system tuner page. It's for your 2D design. Let's put a 2D. This is the garden. You have your solar panels there. Let's add a few trees. Add the water tank if possible. So a tank will be there. Let's add the light. We shall put the light around there. And add more trees just since it's a garden. Add more trees. Let's design that garden. We are irrigating this. Alright, it's a tree irrigation system for your trees. Yeah. Okay. After that, just say completed 2D design. Let's go. Complete. You can see the 3D view. 3D is not really okay. Let's give it some angle. Just go to next. You could put a satellite view, but that is not applicable here. Okay, shading analysis. It's summer. That's it, right? Let's say next. Now PV array, you get that. This is your layout of the. You have your PV. You have a DC isolator with a wiring, 4mm square solar cable, DC input, the charge controller, battery, hybrid inverter. This is for your own powering of the home, AC breaker. But that's it. Let's go next. System name, we can add and say Wilkes irrigation system. Location Banda, Kampala. You can leave capacity. You can every peak day, night only. That's all it, season auto. Yeah, so after all this is complete, battery, let's use lead acid hybrid. Okay, then say complete tuning. Once the tuning is done, everything is complete, you can generate your final report. This is the final report. You have everything. You can 2 panels, that battery. Alright, so here you have your water pump control system, light bulb, your design. These are the graphs, your savings, CO2, and say download full report. Wait for it to download. It's downloading. It's downloaded. Your report is here. Let's open it up. Test view. This is the report you can see. Okay, it's test project. Solar PV designer, everything. This is the full report. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy using it.